In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a ConvertKit email step by step. Whether you're looking to share a lead magnet, a special report, or any other valuable document with your audience, this process will make it easy for you to seamlessly integrate PDFs into your email campaigns. First, we'll start by opening ConvertKit and logging into your account. It's essential to be logged in so you can access all the features and settings we'll be working with today. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left-hand menu. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Grow section and then select Incentives, or if you're in the process of creating an email, head over to the Broadcast or Sequences. These areas are key because they allow you to manage the content you'll be sending to your subscribers. Next, you'll spot an option labeled Upload a Download, or it might appear as Upload File within the incentive email settings. This step is crucial, as it is here that you'll be uploading your PDF file. Carefully choose the PDF you wish to share from your computer files, then click to upload it. This might take a little time, so be patient, especially if you're dealing with larger files or slower internet speeds. Once your file has finished uploading, ConvertKit will generate a link for your PDF. This link acts as the gateway for your subscribers to access the document. Make sure to copy this link accurately, as it will be indispensable in the next phase of the process. Now we're moving into the email editor within ConvertKit. This is where the magic happens, as you either create or edit the email you intend to send out. Look for the text or button that you'd like your subscribers to click to access the PDF. This could be as straightforward as a line like "Download your free guide" or "Access the report here." With your text or button highlighted, seek out the link icon within the text editor. Once you've found it, simply click and you will be prompted to paste in the link you copied earlier. After doing so, make sure to click Save, which will embed your link properly so it's ready for your audience. Before you go ahead and send this email to all your subscribers, sending a test email to yourself is a wise move. This relatively simple step often goes overlooked but provides peace of mind. By taking this precaution, you can verify that the PDF link functions correctly, ensuring that your subscribers will enjoy a seamless experience when accessing your shared material. And just like that, you've successfully added a PDF to your ConvertKit email. With this method, not only can you enhance your email marketing by offering valuable resources to your subscribers, but you also streamline the distribution process, making your communications more engaging. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.